waking up and I was going to do a mask, and I thought that we could do it together. Peter Thomas Roth, I tried one of his masks before and it was pretty good. To me, it feels more like a scrub, but I'm sure as with any skincare, you have to use it more than once to probably notice a difference. I got this with a set of 6. Came with these. This one is the Rose Stem Cell Bio Repair Gel Mask. Let me get out my magnifying glass. Oh, look how pretty. Come on. There we go. Cutting edge plant isolates and replicates 5 perfect reparative rose stem cells. 4 nurturing rose extracts help reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles, regenerates, hydrates, brightens, firms, and tones. Apply a generous coat on clean skin. Rinse after 10 minutes with cool water. 10 minutes. Use 2 to 3 times a week or daily for external use only. If you will get to watch me try this mask for the first time and see what I think about it. I have clean skin on my face and my hands. Let's open her up. She's sealed. Ooh, it kind of has the consistency of Neosporin. It doesn't have like a super strong scent, but it has a pleasant scent. It's just not. Alright, I'll leave this on for 10 minutes and then I will wash it off and we'll see what I think about it. Have fun with your bag. Sorry for bothering. Carry on. Carry on, carry on. Okay. I washed off the mask and I can't say that anything extraordinary happened, but I didn't expect it to. It's the first time I've used it. I do like it. I will keep using it. I don't know if I would buy a full-size version of that from Peter Thomas Roth. They tend to be a little pricey. Not in my budget. But anyway, if you've been thinking about using this mask, it didn't burn my face off. It has a pleasant smell. It claims to do awesome things that we would have to use the mask regularly to see a result. So if you do try it, if you have tried it, if you have an opinion or don't, either way, let me know in the comment section below. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I love you so much, and I'll let you go until the next video.